Get ready to experiment. Hey there, science fans. Jason here, ready to unleash some serious scientific fun in your kitchen. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of home experiments that'll make you the coolest kid or adult on the block. First up, we're making elephant toothpaste. Don't worry, no elephants were harmed in the making of this experiment. Then, we'll whip up some delicious rock candy, because science is always sweeter with a treat. So, put on your lab coats, grab your safety goggles. Just kidding, but not really. And let's get experimenting. Remember, safety first, and always have an adult supervise. Now, let's make some science magic. Get ready for an eruption of epic proportions. This experiment is messy, fun, and guaranteed to make you say, "Science is awesome." Here's what you'll need: an empty plastic bottle, dry active yeast, warm water, hydrogen peroxide, 3% solution, dish soap, food coloring, optional but way more fun, and a large container or tray to catch the eruption. Now, let's get foamy. Pour about half a cup of hydrogen peroxide into the bottle. Add a big squirt of dish soap and a few drops of your favorite food coloring. Swirl it around gently to mix. In a separate container, mix a tablespoon of yeast with some warm water. Let it sit for a few minutes to activate the yeast. Time for the grand finale. Pour the yeast mixture into the bottle. Step back and prepare for an eruption of foamy fun. Okay, science fans, let's break down the awesomeness you just witnessed. That eruption of foam? That's the power of chemistry in action. Hydrogen peroxide, or H2O2, is a molecule that wants to break down into water, H2O, and oxygen, O2. Yeast acts as a catalyst, speeding up this process big time. The dish soap creates bubbles when the oxygen is released, resulting in a massive foam explosion. Pretty cool, right? This experiment shows us how chemical reactions can create new substances and release gases. It's a fun and foamy reminder that science is happening all around us. Section 4. Rock Candy, a sweet science experiment. Alright, sugar enthusiasts, let's dive into the delicious world of rock candy. This experiment takes a bit longer than the toothpaste explosion, but trust me, the sugary reward is worth the wait. Here's what you'll need: sugar, lots of it, water, food coloring, because colorful candy is more fun, wooden skewers or string, clothespins or pencils, and glass jars or tall glasses. Time to make some sweet science. First, boil 1 cup of water. Carefully add 2 cups of sugar, stirring until it dissolves completely. Keep adding sugar, 1 cup at a time, until no more sugar dissolves. You've now created a super saturated solution. Let the sugar solution cool for a bit, then add a few drops of food coloring. Pour the solution into your jars or glasses. Dip your skewers or string into the solution, then let them dry completely. This creates seed crystals for the sugar crystals to grow on. Once dry, suspend the skewers or string in the jars, making sure they don't touch the bottom or sides. Now, the waiting game. It takes a few days for the rock candy to grow. Check on it daily and marvel at the science of crystallization. Section 5. The science of sweet crystallization. Patience, young Padawans. While we wait for our rock candy to grow, let's explore the science behind this sweet phenomenon. Remember that supersaturated solution we made? It's bursting with sugar molecules, just itching to break free. As the solution cools, the sugar molecules start to bond together, forming crystals. The skewers or string act as a nucleation site, providing a surface for the sugar crystals to latch onto and grow. Over time, more and more sugar molecules join the party, creating those beautiful, edible crystals we call rock candy. Science is delicious. Section 6. Fun tips and tricks. Want to take your science experiments to the next level? Here are a few fun tips and tricks. For extra foamy elephant toothpaste, try using a higher concentration of hydrogen peroxide, but always have an adult supervise. Experiment with different colors of food coloring for your elephant toothpaste and rock candy. Create rainbows, stripes, or even polka dots. Try adding glitter to your elephant toothpaste for extra sparkle. For a tasty twist, add flavor extracts to your rock candy solution. Vanilla, peppermint, and almond are all delicious options. Be patient with your rock candy. The longer you let it grow, the bigger and more impressive your crystals will be. Section 7. Science is everywhere. Congratulations, science explorers. You've conquered elephant toothpaste and mastered the art of rock candy. Remember, science isn't just about textbooks and labs. It's all around us, waiting to be discovered. So keep asking questions, keep experimenting, and keep having fun with science. And hey, if things get a little messy, just remember what I always say. It's not a mistake, it's an unexpected outcome. Keep on sciencing. Jason, out.